Sia. Ini tutor. Dia कैसे होना है? Because high pay.
You could do one, but that's not.
In Chinese.
No. Oh, see, with curly hair, it's kind of shit to wear this. A ver. No.
Like a watermelon.
Io hatabigo.
See, not bad. 30 euros, affordable.
That's the golden stuff right there. And these are your golden years, so have fun.
Muy bien. No, you don't want like this.
I don't want black and white. It looks like we passed away.
Vale. I mean, but I'm sorry we gotta do black and white, vale?
Esto, vale.
Hay un momentito. I think it will fall. Oh, printing.
Oh no, there's no flash. Came on.
I don't have space. Oh, what's this? Ah, it's like letters. See, what's this back color?
Yeah, the color is bad. Huh?
They're cute though.
For memory.
Oh, American one.
Can be colorful.
Huh?
For this, I need to be.
Black. You want colorful? Oh, ow.
Get him.
Look. For what we want, this is better. Oh, no.
For me, I just need a little one, you know, like this. Not a huge ass. This is fine for me.
See, this for you. And for this, I'll get another time.
See, since we have an elevator, we can have one of these.
Let's go shopping. See, no? Or let's compare. It's the same brand. These are a bit bigger.
This is more good looking.
43 liters and these. Ah, it's the same. Same like capacity.
Ah,
This one's nicer.
but it, oh yeah.
This looks like too square. Hey, ito. I look like this.
Sure.
I look like this. Showing us in the video.
Sure. Sure.
So these, alright. Chi.
Yeah. 65. That's not cheap, eh?
¿Cómo? This is Chinese too.
Maybe this is branded.
A ver, on Amazon. Really? These are even super huge though.
It's enough for a week.
Oh, okay, bro. I mean, it's got like hard bottom. What's the pocket?
See.
Pretty cool. But you are like video black speed?
See. No.
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 See, at the bottom. The feet.
No color.
Then why do we want?
Because we just put things inside. Not so expensive.
It's 20 euros cheaper.
Different model, I think.
Oh, so this 64. Oh, 1 euro cheaper. Still, it's not the same. So it's got this.
No, esto es hierba. No, para la barandilla. Como una reja.
It's got this thing
Oh,
to
it's the
hang
same.
extra bags. You see?
Where?
This to hang extra bags.
Oh.
But this one doesn't.
Tea smoothie. Okay, good.
Oh, the pose. You're watching? Oh, you're watching. Sorry. Where's the strike?
That one?
Strike.
What is that?
Getting
Oh, go.
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 Magia.
Uy.
Oh,
Look, yoga.
¿dónde? Oh, this one. A ver. Wow, qué vibrant. What? What is this? A bear, mountain bear. Wow, loving.
Oh, so in the water.
Okay, crazy. This room. What did they say?
So the guys were like, chill, bro. We're not playing any championship. We're not gonna win any cup. Chill. Oh, that's disgusting.
¡Qué cookie!
Venga, va. Video.
We can do one like walking to it. Want a photo too?
Sure. Yes. I got photo in your phone already.
go to that local tapas bar.
See. Get off.
It's okay. You know, actually the moving, what's it called? Moving out.
See, moving on.
Moving out process. We can take it chill because we got like a 4 months.
See.
Yeah.
We can travel to here. We can live in here.
If we don't want to go to out there, we can just sleep there.
See. Wow, hotel. Oh, we have 2 places in Barcelona. Very rich.
Rich life.
Yeah.
We don't speak English.
See? We don't speak English.
But we make some like freaking good bombs, which is this like fried meat and potato mix. It's called bomb, which is the name of this bar. And they said we don't have Wi-Fi. Speak with each other.
Wow, we don't have Wi-Fi.
Muy
Very
bien.
traditional, huh?
Yeah, it's bomba. Homemade potato balls in our hot sauce. And it's got like these minced meat inside.
Give me that.
Vale.
Bombas.
Bombas.
So bombs.
Bombs. Yeah, I think, well, we'll see. But I think they got like meat inside, potato.
Venga, try it.
Huh?
Try it.
It's not hot, I think.
What? Let me try the hot. Wow. See, good. A little salty.
Take one. James, you trying Catalan cream.
Prima Catalan. What?
Get it crunchy.
Wow, it's a word.
You know what?
Word.
I see.
Sweet word. Yeah, it's good. You know what? So I should set my location in Taiwan?
What's that? Want to try it from the beginning?
Yeah, is that
So-
what you're saying?
What are we doing?
We're booking flight tickets back to Taiwan. And this will be Maria's first time visiting Taiwan.
So we're moving there forever.
We'll see. Air China.
Taiwan.
Hey, it just said my
Shibanya.
website use cookies for, but
So crazy last meals. Like a lot of drinks, girls, everything that you can imagine of a rockstar.
So it's real.
It's real.
The backstage stories are real, right? Okay.
It's real. It's real.
usually it's
Like the trap reggaeton.
Okay. Yeah. Next level.
What's crazy because you can.
The two girls on the side. I don't know. The eyes, everything on this is kind of
Very intimate.
there's something crazy going on with birds in cages in Barcelona. people do it and take them out to the streets and sort of like the phone thing next to it, and the reflection of the face on the guy on the phone, you know.
Yeah. Really strong. I also love the copy paste of the male pattern baldness.
Yeah, true that. Maybe they're brothers. I don't know. Never asked. They didn't like me.
Glasses.
They didn't like me taking the picture. They weren't too keen on it, but.
They weren't, no?
No, I lied to him. I said, "Oh, don't worry, I deleted it. I did that. I'm sorry, I had to. Fuck it. I'm a terrible person." That's Mark on the side, on the left. That's Mark doing that for me, but I thought, fuck it, that's funny. Take a picture of it.
Who cares? You
Uh-huh.
posted this one.
Yeah. I've posted all of those.
All of them.
All of them.
See, this is the problem with Instagram. I see your photos like 3 days after they're there, and I was like,
Yeah.
"Oh."
The feed is a dictator, you know.
Yeah.
The fact that he's, you know, with the eating the ruffles and with the Catalan flag on his face, I thought that was, you know, well, it's kind of well composed. But this is one of my favorites. I can't explain why, but I love this picture. I love it. I feel very, very emotionally connected to it. This I would have just printed there. I would do that because I love that. I can't explain it. I don't have an explanation, but I guess I could, you know, formalize the colors and associate the blues. But the fact that she's taking a picture of me, I don't know. I just fucking love that.
I feel like and I also really love a book that I bought by Wim Wenders, the German filmmaker. He did a book where he was taking photos through the entire time he was making movies, right? So he would be, you know, going all over the world.
Polaroids?
I think there were 35 mil. And he made a book where he would show the photo that he took, and then on the left page he would put a story about whatever was going on. And you know, he's like, I was driving from this set to this set, we were filming in California, or I was filming in Australia and I saw a mountain, I walked to the mountain, and then I saw a dog, you know? He'd elaborate more, but that's the gist. So I thought maybe I could look back at this year of photos. And like I said, even the first one I showed you was like right when I moved to Barcelona. I could do maybe 12 stories, short stories from the last year. And I think that some of the photos that I took around this time would end up in that from probably, I think it was January or something. I don't know. Anyways, thank you.
You like the shadows from graffiti on the bench.
And similar to you, Daniel, I rely a lot on dark, like heavy blacks.
Yeah, I'm quite obsessed with them.
And when I edit my photos, I crush the blacks. Almost always. I just
Something about it.
Tuna.
Maybe this one.
Resourceful guy.
Osh!
Cuidado, Muki. Don't get burned. Woo! Woo!
And I think it gotta be the next stage, which is what is it called? Like open and
Ah, claro.
burn a bit.
Una cosa. What the hell is that?
No sir. Where there's noodles. I don't know.
Like the bone?
Maybe. Soft.
But so gotta take out the juice then. And put it without paper.
Whoosh!
Final result.
Oh.
Egg noodle. We still have to know what that is.
I think it's soft bone.
See, no?
Sorry.
Okay, okay.
必须先给蹲地。Mira, mira.
A ver, a ver.
Oh.
Whoa.
Trying to eat.
What a setting. So I came to see James, his job, and he's almost done. He's out there currently cleaning. And let me show you oh, good. There he is. Hola. So, that's your workplace.
Sí, sí.
And this is the result, huh? So we got dragon fruit, and like, what is it, banana.
See, I take like, I don't know, 15 bananas every day, like peeling and make this, and I never tried, so.
Okay, let's see. I'll try.
Try.
Okay, let's dig in. A ver. So this one first. You get chocolate. Crunchy bits. You know what it reminds me of? The yogurt mix I make with this cereal, banana, chocolate bits. Oh, it's the same.
Yeah, punchy thing, right?
You feel these two and everything?
No.
No?
It's like a frozen package. Hola, Marco. Todo bien. Now you have to work. Thanks,
You know, I should do this like stuff like video from BCN too, like I did in Madrid. You got a lot of interesting stuff. Maybe more weird or sketchy. Look, burger ready.
Hay unas bolsas muy parecidas a las nuestras. Muy parecidas, Bolsas no las habían puesto.
Where? Wow. Wow. Yeah.
No és lleig, però tampoc estan així.
What's this festival? It's hosted by.
Markets, obviously.
That's it, like literally.
Sí. Good. Qué chulo. So this can bring your parents either.
Maybe not.
And olive oil? See olive
They
oil?
could. They could.
But it's not from airport. It's from Taiwan borders. Because you can bring liquid and food
No.
Taiwan.
But I'll check.
Eat some chubby.
This one, right? ¿Quiere esto? Sí. This is.
See, no.
This or? Okay.
But the other one's almost finished. Can we do this?
Sí. If you like it with the pumpkin, it's kind of sweet.
Yeah, yeah.
Sí. Hola. This one?
Sí, sí.
Vale, pues una de ternera. Paga efectivo tarjeta.
Just. Muy bien.
Here. Wow, qué bonito.
The octopus, it's like the same method made with this and this.
Sí, sí.
Yeah. Like
Sí.
sour.
When I had the olive, it tasted.
torno a trobar. Bailis de ses venes i nicotina en els dits. Se m'acosta un senyor per si distint comptador de nou de Pasco d'en David i un Picasso original de tamany especial. Per totes les coses que he deixat passar, per totes les altres que m'han enfonsat en el fons de la mar i han desitjat que no torni a guardar ni a prop ni a fora d'allà, i que Déu a sa madona li faig saber a ti Aquí mitjaron sempre bona nit. I sortint del local me'l torno a trobar dins la mà dur que espunyar. Ni Picassos ni Dalís, aquí tens el meu pis. Per totes les coses que he deixat passar, per totes les altres que m'han enfonsat. En el fons de mai he desitjat no torni a lluitar ni a prop ni a fora d'allà. En el fons de mai he desitjat no torni a lluitar ni a prop ni a fora d'allà. En el fons de mai he desitjat que no torni a lluitar ni a prop ni a fora. Moltes gràcies.
The guitar player is down. Yeah, before the song finishes.
So Palast, wenn diese Leute, das hat eine Familie gehabt, ja, also...
All the bags I like,
Und
but
das
the
waren ja
jewelry,
Wohnsitz auch
it,
Palast, da gibt es die Treppen hoch,
different, for sure.
das Patio,
I think for like
diese ganzen Zimmer,
fancy party.
Dächer.
But yeah, I like the bag.
Ja,
Which one? The small?
aber das dieser Garnische
Small, big, both. Why we're here? Why we're here?
By face cream for my sister.
No me gusta, No me gusta. What are they yelling?
Yeah?
What are they?
Freedom to Palestine. Mentioned very important. It was saying like boycott Israel, like cancel or punish.
Oli.
Doesn't do anything. Oh, mira. Ollie.
Sí, venga va,
Ok.
Oli.
Yes.
From here? No. Nolly. What's nolly?
Oli is like using your front foot to do an Oli.
Heel flip.
Oh.
Vale, run. Oh. Otra vez.
Okay, you gotta download this game.
Vale, siguiente. Run, run.
Oh. Wait. Not bad, huh?
You want? Oh. Saying goodbye to this place. This is my baby. I'm playing some cards and eating spicy chips. Love you,
Wow,
baby.
love this photo, eh?
And I love you.